Hopdeals.com, our authority equipment remarketing specialists. We're pleased to offer reference 40, this 2011 DAF CF75.250. Has a Euro 5 engine and is a 6x4 26 tonne. It has a Farid Refuse truck body with Zolla trade bin lift and body weighing system. It's come direct from the council and has covered 66,000 kilometres and is MOT'd until the end of March 2018. If you'd like further details on this or any other specialist municipal vehicle, please contact Hop Deals on 01430 434 800 or email us on sales@hopdeals.com.